Hey, if you've been struggling to build an email list, wasting hours on funnels, or feeling overwhelmed by tech setups, this might be the most important video you'll watch all week. There's a new system called AiScaleStack that uses 4 custom AI bots to launch and grow a profitable email list in under 10 minutes. No funnels, no ad spend, no need for a social following. Just a simple AI-powered engine that builds your list and monetizes it on autopilot. Here's how it works. You install a 4-part AI framework that handles everything: list creation, subscriber growth, engagement, and monetization. You don't need a niche, you don't need a product, and you definitely don't need tech skills. This is not another Learn AI course or overhyped software tool. It's a plug-and-play system that starts working fast. And I mean fast. People are reporting 100+ new subscribers per day without spending a dime on ads. And once it's running, you can manage everything in under 30 minutes a day. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, creator, coach, or just tired of chasing shiny objects that don't deliver, this system changes the game. I've seen a lot of tools over the years, but AiScaleStack is the first one I've used that actually does what it promises. If you're ready to let AI build your list and income, click the link in the description and check it out now before it blows up.